In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Google Chrome page as PDF. Need to save a website for later? This is the quickest way to turn any page you're viewing into a polished, shareable PDF. No extra software or extensions required. It's built right into Chrome and works the same across Windows, Mac, and Chrome OS. First, open the Print menu. The fastest method is the keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl and P on Windows or Chrome OS. On a Mac, press Command and P. If you prefer clicking, go to the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome and choose Print. Don't worry, nothing will actually go to a printer. We're just using this menu as a converter. When the print window opens, look for the Destination section. Open that drop-down and select Save as PDF. This tells Chrome to create a file instead of sending pages to a printer. As soon as you choose it, check the live preview on the right. That preview shows exactly how your PDF will look, page by page. Next, choose your layout. Most websites look great in portrait, but if the page has wide tables, dashboards, or horizontal images, switch to landscape. The preview updates instantly, so you can confirm everything fits without clipping. For a cleaner result, click More Settings and uncheck Headers and Footers. This removes the extra date, page number, and URL that Chrome would otherwise place at the top and bottom of every page. If you're sharing the PDF, submitting it, or just want a tidy look, turning those off keeps the focus on the content. Before saving, glance through the preview to make sure the sections you need are visible. If a site loads more content as you scroll, ensure everything important is expanded on the page beforehand so it appears in the PDF. The print view captures what's on the page as Chrome renders it. Ready to save? Click the blue Save button. Choose a folder you'll remember, give the file a clear, descriptive name, and click Save. Including the page topic and today's date can make it easier to find later. And that's it. You now have a perfect PDF of that website. It will look just like the preview you saw. Simple, clean, and ready to share, upload, or keep for your records. The next time you need a quick, reliable copy of any web page, just open the Print menu, set Destination to save as PDF, pick Portrait or Landscape, uncheck Headers and Footers if you want a cleaner look, and hit Save. You're all set. Done.